How to get Taco Bell coupon codes and deals. Hello, everybody. If you'd like to do so, you may follow up these steps. So you can basically download the application Taco Bell onto your device first and log in into your account. So if you're new to this account, when you go ahead and log in, you will directly get some rewards upon sign up and earn points on every purchase. To earn points, you can look out for the products that you would like to add. Just go ahead and do so. And once you add it up, look out for checkout option. And once you confirm your checkout, after each and every completion of your order, you will be getting rewards, including that some deals and coupon codes as well. Apart from that, you can look out for the available offers within the application. You can head over to the home page and look out for the orders that may be available, you know, the offers, etc. So we have this section of rewards and offers. Tap on it, and there you will be finding different offers, finding like different offers going on. For example, we have this Tuesday drop as arrived. So you can just go ahead and look out for this offer right here. Similarly, customizing, sharing, and earning. If you just go ahead and share the products and everything, you will be getting different awards and rewards as well. Apart from that, we have different other deals as well. You can basically look out for that from the section. Or if not, from here we have this a section dedicated for rewards. Tap on it, and when you tap on it, here it will show you a name, and here you will be finding your product. So we have this offers option. Tap on it, and when you tap on it, you can basically go ahead and look out for the offers. Right now there is no offers available, but if there is any, you will be finding it right in the section. And apart from that, we have this reward option as well. Tap on it, and you can just go ahead and redeem the reward. So as I said, we have this free welcome reward earlier. You can just go ahead and tap on redeem and go ahead and access the uh, codes and deals available from the app. So these are some of the methods available. Apart from that, there are different websites that also gives you promo codes or any other codes. You can just go ahead and look out for that and go ahead and check it out within the application. So you may follow this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.